quick video. We just got these military X-door glass protectors installed. These front ones, you have to install them as far to the rear as you can because you have to be able to drill a hole into this raised area on the door. The front one lower, there's a lot more space. Now, my vehicle has supplemental armor, so this is on a supplemental armor door. Still on the non-armored door, you're gonna have to do the same thing. The instructions actually show on the non-armored door to install these from the outside in, and then to put screws up here. Now, I had gotten pictures from a guy that had a brand new unissued door, X-door, with supplemental armor that had these installed from the factory, and this is the way they installed it, with the pop rivets. So I used 3/16 by 1/2 inch pop rivets. That's how it looks with the window down. Go to the back door. That's how it looks on the back door. The back door is a lot more forgiving as far as drilling these holes because the raised area is obviously significantly larger on the door. Again, 1/2 inch by 3/16 pop rivets everywhere. That's how it looks installed. Civilian wise, you probably really don't need these to stop the plastic that's on the inside of this armored glass from getting scratched by gear that you would be wearing that would be hanging off your belt or whatever. We installed them because I've repaired these windows, and this is actually green window tint now. As you can see, put green window tint on these. If you watch one of my other videos, I walk through and explain doing that. So these panels don't actually have the thick piece of plastic or polycarbonate, Lexan, whatever it is, on the inside of the armored glass anymore, because it had delaminated from the armored glass. One other thing I did is I took a file and I took the sharp corners off of all these panels on the top here, because I know damn well with a nice pointy sharp corner you'd very easily either cut your arm or get a long sleeve shirt somehow snagged on it and destroy your shirt. So that's just another little tip for what I did. Now, if you want to pause the video, here is the schematics on fabricating the panel. Here is page 1 for replacing the panel. As you can see, they're showing it being replaced on a door without supplemental armor. These are not actually made of armor. They are very thin aluminum sheet metal. And then here are your instructions to go with that page. And also at the top, it gives you the TMs and everything, so you could actually look these up yourself if you wanted to. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.